are going to love the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, driver and front passenger heated seats, compass, security system, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, brake assist, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.